to answer your question, what are the qualities of a leader? Very simple. Qualities of a leader. So, a qualities of a leader is someone we call an alpha. Now, every time a person hear the word alpha, they're like, oh my God, here's an alpha male. Start talk very loud, muscle very big, start bossing people around. No. Actually, if you go and look at the animal kingdom, an alpha is a person that truly cares about the rest of the pack. So the rest of the pack, yes, they give him, preferential treatment in the area of food and shelter and many other things.
Okay.
But the reason they do so, they're not stupid. They give that because his main job is to take care of the pack.
Right. The
So
alpha's
a person
job is
is
to
an
take care of
alpha.
the pack.